Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love! Nagbabalik DJ Lala para sa ating programang biyahe at eto na nga, simulan na ang ating biyahe ngayong gabi na biyaheng idolo. Ano ba dapat ang mga bagay na ikino-consider mo dapat kapag meron kang kinahuhumalingang tao? One is to pick an idol that inspires you to be the better version of yourself. I understand na may mga tao sa internet na are just looking for entertainment, something or someone fun to watch to pass time. But may fine line kasi between kinatutuwaan at iniidolo. Idolo is someone you want to be or want to be like. Dito na pumapasok yung pagiging picky natin of who to look up to. Choose someone who can motivate you to become better. Someone who will teach you how to do better in life. To dream big and achieve more. Huwag kang pumili ng idolo na sasabihin lang sa'yo what you can get in life but won't teach you how to get there. If your idol doesn't inspire you and motivate you to work harder and achieve more in life, then maybe you have to rethink kung sino yung mga taong hinahayaan mong impluwensyahan ka in life. Your time, I know, do not get me wrong, but it's too precious to waste on people who won't do any good for you. Don't you think? Ikalawang bagay na kailangan mo i-consider kapag humahanap ka ng tunay na idolo. Kailangan meron silang sense of purpose. Love, sabi ko nga sa'yo, ox lang naman yung part na nahuhumaling ka sa kakanood because you are being entertained by the people na nakikita mo or you are watching. But please, if you can support people who are throwing contents na may purpose, please do so. Ako, I am personally tired of seeing magjowa na nagpaprank ng isa't isa for content, o kaya naman yung may mga pa-reveal sa issue, mga ganun, or clickbait sa mga chismoso na kunwari nag-away pero hindi naman talaga and doing it just for views. Pero to be fair and to give the creators credit, it works. It works talaga. You are on the right market for contents like that. But at least man lang, give your viewers more than just that. Give yourself a purpose kapag tinatawag mo yung sarili mong influencer. Kasi kung ganyan at ganyan lang, what are you trying to influence sa mga viewers mo sa mga caption mong di kinaya ang laki, hubad na katotohanan, keme-keme hiwalayan prank? Come to think of it, are you trying to encourage them to do something good by doing that content? Diba? Kaya I adore and applaud content creators who still thinks about what type of viewer benefit their followers can get from their contents. I applaud the grind, the creativity, and the purpose even if konti lang yung views. Ito sana yung mga magandang gawing idolo at suportahan. Mga content creators, artista, and personality who thinks about the kind of influence they portray online. After all, hindi nga naman akma na tawagin kang influencer kung ang content mo ay nonsense lang. 'Di ba? Just saying. Taray. At aawat muna tayo sa ating pagiging basher. Kasi magbibigay daan muna tayo sa ating biyahe sender of the night. Ito ay mula sa ating text line na 0917-851-4329. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Ito ang biyahe ni Virgo. Hi DJ Lala, hihingi lang po sana ako ng advice. My name is Virgo. May nagugustuhan po ako at sa tingin ko po, mahal ko na siya. Pero ang problema, may asawa po ako. Ano po ba ang dapat kong gawin? Hihingi lang po sana ako ng advice. Thank you. O diba? Short and sweet. Well, hi Virgo. Well, simple lang te. Tantanan mo na. Ang ma-attract sa isang tao ay hindi mo kasalanan. It happens by chance. But to fall in love with them is already your choice. Ibig sabihin, pinili mong kilalanin, pinili mong mapalapit, pinili mong makita yung mga bagay na gugustuhin mo sa kanya. In short, pinili mong magkasala. Hindi porket wala nang ganap sa long time niyong karelasyon, lisensya na yan para ibaling yung pagtingin ninyo sa iba. Self-control ate. Kung gusto mo sirain yung buhay mo, go ahead, by all means, ituloy mo yan. Pero makukuha yung anak mo sa'yo if you do have kids. I guarantee you that. And for that, you don't have anyone else to blame but yourself. Kung kasal kayo at nakasuhan ka, same thing. Kasalanan mo yan. Alam mo, wala pa akong asawa but I do have my fair share of long-term relationships. Even when may mga lumalapit sa akin, I choose to fall in love with my partner every single day. Despite and in spite of their shortcomings and flaws, namimili akong mahalin sila kada araw. Haven't promised anything remotely close sa till death do us part na mga linyahan sa kanila, but I stayed true sa relationship because that's what I want for myself. The ability to demand loyalty kasi I am loyal. The ability to demand faithfulness kasi I am faithful. The ability to be truly loved kasi I can love them, take care of them deeply. So Virgo, if you want the same thing, kung gusto mo ng taong magiging loyal sa'yo, faithful sa'yo, titignan ka mula ulo hanggang paa, mamahalin ka kada araw, then yun din yung ibigay mo sa kanila. Kasi 2 things lang to, ate. 1, if hindi mo na mahal yung asawa mo, let go and honor that relationship with respect by giving it some time before ka pumasok sa panibagong relasyon. And 2, choose to stop. Fight off yung nararamdaman mo and focus on your current partner. Stay true to the promise of being with them till the end. Kasi yun din yung gusto mo para sa sarili mo. Ate, what you do here defines the kind of woman you truly are. Are you a woman worthy of true love? Or are you cheap enough to cheat? Ikaw na yung mamili. Klaro? Nako Virgo, sana natulungan kita, nakapag-isip-isip ka, nauntog ka, ikaw nang bahalang mamili kung saang landas ang tatahakin mo. At ikaw kabisyo, kung meron ka ding problema katulad ni Virgo at gusto mong matauhan, mauntog sa katotohanan, then all you have to do is send your problems over my Facebook page DJ Lala Banderas, IG account DJ Lala Banderas, or text me sa aking biyahe text line 0917-851-4329. Again, 0917-851-4329. Eto na, nasa dulo na naman tayo ng ating biyahe for tonight. But of course, before we end the show, eto na ang ating huling tip on how to choose your idolo wisely. Choose a role model that builds your confidence. Okay lang na tingalain nyo yung isang tao, but if that person only makes you less and less confident about who you are and what you have in your life right now, then yung taong yon is failing to motivate you and encourage you to do better. Kapag sinasabi nila na ang standard ng yaman, kasiyahan at kagandahan ay ganito at hindi ka pasok, ang nararamdaman mo lang na insecure ka, well, hindi ikaw yung nagfi-fail. Ang nagfi-fail, yung tinatawag yung sarili niyang influencer. Tandaan mo, yung idolo mo dapat ay nakakapag-impluwensya sa iyo na maging mas sa kung ano ka ngayon nang hindi dinidemean or ina-undervalue kung ano yung meron ka ngayon. Hindi yung maging dahilan pa sila para ma-insecure ka kung ano yung itsura mo at kung ano lang yung meron ka ngayon. Gets mo ko? So love, I hope you choose the people who will inspire you and who will have the privilege to influence your life. The people you look up to defines the way you look at life. So you deserve only the best. At tandaan nyo, never settle for less. Klaro? Nako, sa mga kabisyo natin, I think that's it for us tonight. Sana po medyo mas maging mapili tayo sa magiging idolo natin, o diba? At syempre, you can always follow my previous biyahe episodes sa ating Love Radio Manila YouTube channel. Punta lang kayo sa playlist, hanapin nyo lang yung biyahe. If you want some realization or nagko-contemplate kayo on certain decisions, I think lahat ng tipo ng biyahe andoon. Baka pasok yun para sa'yo. And you can also follow me on my socials, DJ Lala Banderas, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Laika, and TikTok. Kasama niyo po DJ Lala Banderas para sa aking programang biyahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso, ng 90.7 Love Radio, GVGV lang, walang hate, puro love lang. Good night everybody, I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye!
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.